Today I am going to be showing you how to browse and access an online health resource that is specifically geared towards psychology called PsycInfo. First thing is I have logged into our school's library, and then I'm going to go right here where it says Browse Databases, which will bring a new tab to all of the databases that we can access as students at our school. And then I can either search it or simply scroll right down to APA PsycInfo, click into that, which will bring us to the database and where we can search. And as you can see, there are all these different subsections where you can filter through language, age group, etc. One thing that I personally like to do is go right down here, click peer reviewed, and then I, for example, will search bipolar disorder and diagnostic criteria. For example, if I was writing a research paper, and I hit search, and then it'll bring up several different options for you to explore and see what is applicable to your research or whatever it is that you want to read about. So I'm going to click into this one. For example, you can see an abstract, the title, all this information here, publishing date, the DOI, anything you would need for making a citation, for example. Thank you.